Hello my friends and welcome to another episode of Inside Out Electronics. And today I'm gonna be showing you a video, or in this video we're gonna be talking about how not to repair your phone. Okay, some time ago I decided to make a video of repair of Galaxy S4. I decided to fix the screen myself, and it was the utter disaster. So I end up with this. So I completely destroyed the Galaxy S4 screen. Well, I don't think I destroyed the screen itself. I completely destroyed the digitizer. So yeah, the touch won't work because I was idiot and I didn't do it properly. But I think screen itself, this thing is fine, but it's completely useless because it's completely glued, partially now glued to the screen assembly. Yeah, so I end up messing up even more this poor little phone than it used to be messed up. So yeah, that's just what's happened. So now I have to. So instead of repairing the phone, I actually busted it even more. So in this little box over here, I have a whole bunch of parts of the Galaxy S4. Some of them have to be cleaned up and so on and so forth. Big parts, small parts, and things like that. Luckily, I got this, and let's take a look what we have here. This is from Lithuania. This is from Vilnius. Haven't been didn't open this package yet. There is no personal information here. It says one smartphone LCD Samsung S4, 18 USD. So yeah, I paid 18 USD for that. Yeah, that was not free. Just let me tell you, it was not free. Very nice packaging. Wow. Oh, this is why. Okay. Sheesh, that's really tough plastic. Sorry, it's a bit nice. Okay, I'm gonna do it off camera. And I wanna okay, I'll move this. This is a little unboxing here. It's really tough little package here. Okay, nicely packaged. Thank you very much, my friend from Lithuania. Okay, not sure, this is OEM or something, didn't say anything. SIM service, gently recycle and refurbish electronic parts. Okay, so this is apparently probably was taken off from some busted phone and recycled. Okay, let's see. I have very specific Galaxy screen, and let's see what we have here. Okay, talkie. Okay, let's remove all this garbage and just be annoying me. This is i9505. 9505. This is what I need. Oh, this is sticky. So it does like what I need. Does look like what I need. Unfortunately, I cannot just pop the motherboard up and just, you know, be good with it. And the back sticker is pulled up because iMac is obviously going to be different. I'm going to still keep this thing around. Sorry, iMac would be the same. What I'm talking about, motherboard is over there. So, so today we're gonna take this screen. Presumably it is operational. Okay. It even has no, it even has the sticker on it, which is very nice. S4GAH63, very interesting. Has a sticker on it, so this is good news. And this, I assume, has to be removed. Yes, that has to be removed. So I'm gonna start assembling because I do. You see, still there is little shards of glass from the old screen. Oh, that was unfortunate, guys. So I'm gonna probably create a video of how badly I done the job, and everyone who would watch that video would remember not to do it this way. Okay, that's gonna be definitely a video for that. So, and today we're gonna pick some parts, not randomly from this box, and try to put them back in their original place, back where it's supposed to be. Unfortunately, I do not really remember the right sequence, but clearly I know that this is supposed to go over here, just like that. I was just for a second was kind of puzzled because I remember this thing has to be precisely matched with this connector. All right, so and that is supposed to be glued over here. So I'll have to double check if this glue is still glueable, like in the bottom. Okay, so it looks like we have all bits and pieces, and we'll be assembling this phone shortly. Okay, first you're gonna remove this sticker. I don't know why it's supposed to be here. I guess it's some sort of part number or what the heck. There was no sticker on the original screen, so I'm removing this crap. It's like thermals. Anyways, I don't care. I don't know what the heck is this. Nah, yeah, and the original screen was nothing. Okay, this has to come off somehow. Yeah, whatever. I don't think that's gonna be a big deal. Okay, so let's put this charging port and Wi-Fi antenna. I guess antenna is this stuff. That's my assumption. It has to be, make sure it has. That's more or less okay. Okay, let's connect this little connector over here. It goes very nicely. This is not supposed to be glued as far as I remember. This antenna goes over here. No lint. I'm not 100% sure if I have to re-glue this device, this over here. Looks like I do have to re-glue it, but I think it's gonna be pushed back like this with all this contraption, so maybe I won't have to. So next time I would have to disassemble it, will be so much easier, right? I don't have to rip it off. Curious, what is this microphone over here? I don't know. Yeah, this goes over here. Doesn't really sits right? Okay. We have also this bezel stuff, right? It goes on top of motherboard and stuff like that, but it's too soon to put it yet. Okay, now we have so this is probably front-facing camera, and this is, I should try to clean up, this is speaker, I think. Yes, that's all contraption supposed to be here. Okay, what's next? What else we have here? This Do I even have to care about it? Let me remember where that goes. Ah, yeah, here we are. So I have spare part like this with buttons. All right. So I have spare parts. So this is essentially the same unit, and I just ripped it off from the original screen. So that's extra. I'm gonna keep it for in my parts bin. Then we have a little sensor of some sort and a vibrator. And this goes. Oops, I don't remember. No, I was wrong. This is not. This is speaker. That goes in here. Not speaker. This is mic. That headphone output. The nice cute button is extra part as well. Okay, and the motherboard itself. Here it is. It's supposed to be like that. Okay, so this is not supposed to be placed just now. Just like that. Okay. Wi-Fi antenna goes in here. Okay. Don't think it was glued per se. I think it was just placed nicely in here. Okay, now that can be placed. Oh yeah, I see my problem. Okay, so that's like this. It's supposed to be like here. Connected this way. It's gonna be connected over here, nice and lovely. Well, that's I'm gonna do the screen, the very last one. All right, so we have, okay, this is camera. Okay, this is front-facing camera for sure. The other was probably the light sensor. We're gonna clean it up, remove some gunk from here and from here. All right. Little camera goes in here. Nice. Okay. Okay, what the heck is this? Okay, this is vibration motor. Okay, this was my bad. It has some glue on it. Sorry, I don't remember where this guy. I think it was a good idea not to connect everything because I am Okay, I forgot to put this vibrator motor. It's supposed to be underneath the board, so I think this goes in here, this tiny retaining thing, just to make sure your camera and depth sensor is not gonna fall out, just like so. Is it? Am I right? What? Yes, just like that. Okay, this clip is very important. I think this is supposed to go over here to make sure you're not gonna bust your micro USB port. Okay, this is gonna be over here. Something is not right here, and I cannot wrap my mind what exactly. It sort of doesn't sit well with me, right? Maybe because it's a little bit bent over. I see. It's too soon. That's gonna go first. All right. Okay, now we connect this big guy. Now we're gonna connect this big guy. Okay, screen is connected. So now we have a few screws over here. Just need to remember, I think this little black one is from here. Right. And that's all I remember. Unfortunately, I need to think now. It's another short one, probably is from here. It's the headphone jack retainer. Now we have 1, 2, 8 more screws. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. We're missing. Oh yeah, here we are. One more. Okay. So let's... You know what? Actually, I think this is this... No. I have to put at least a few screws. Some of them have... So what I want to do, I'm thinking just to give it a try. Just to try this screen. And I decided to a little bit kind of screw it up, not to have it wibble wobble. What's going on here? Why this is not cooperating? Not gonna clip it in yet. No, don't. Okay. My idea is, at least it's kind of holds together more or less. Okay. My idea is to give it a try. I don't think anything is shorting, so I can just plug the battery in and see if it's alive. If it's screen is alive, I mean. Oh yeah, I think we have a problem. Okay. This side has to be pressed in. All right. Okay, well, looks like screen is good. That's a good news. Screen is working. I hope this kind of scratch over here is a scratch on a protective film. This is my, I think, Lineage OS or some sort of OS kind of hacked Android 11. It's definitely not supposed to be here, and it's very slow on this phone, but at least it's working. Okay. Now the battery pool. Sorry, my friend. All right, so we give good news. Screen is working, so now we can press this all. Make sure there is no gunk. This side doesn't want to cooperate too much. Hope I didn't ruin it. Yeah, it does look like a bando a little bit. Okay. What's going on here? I want to understand. Okay, so now when we assembled everything together and cleaned up, it's time to put the battery. Oh, I do love those phones with removable battery so much. So much less hassle to replace battery or any other components when your hello? Okay, yeah. When your phone is not glued shut and whatever. Before actually I got the screen protection for this display, maybe some little basic case. I'm not gonna remove this thing because this is how I broke it. It didn't have any kind of protection. It just fell on the kitchen tile and kaput. All right, so while the phone is actually booting, I want to say thank you. This company called, I don't know if this is company or this is box out of this, because this GIM service actually mentioned over here. GIM service, I think this is GIM, really hard to read, made in the European Union, but actually eBay seller who actually sold me this in Lithuania called, I think, Ingo Electronics or something like that. So thank you, Ingo Electronics. I made my phone alive again. I'm gonna check other things, like for example touch screen, but things seems like touchscreen is bueno, all good and working. I didn't put SIM card yet, but this is nothing to do with the screen, so I assume everything will be working as it used to. Obviously this Android 11 that I have here is a little bit too slow for this phone, but it's actually working. It's working fine. So guys, that was a quick video of making and reviving my actually beloved Galaxy S4. I think this is a really decent phone, and I think it deserves, I think it's worthwhile to repair it, and it deserves to continue living and serving me and in the places where I cannot take my more expensive phone, which is, by the way, dead. but that's another story. So I also gonna include a video because I shot it when I was replacing this thing and I massacre it. So I'm gonna make it this video titled as how not to repair screen in your phone. Yes, so please watch it, but don't do it like I've done. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time in another episode of Inside Out Electronics when we're getting into things.